We're going to learn the sounds of NG and NK. NG has the sound of ng, 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 ng. NK sounds like ng with a K, unk, 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 unk. Ing, ing, sing. Ing, ring. Ing, wing. Ong, ong, song. Ong, long. Ong, gong. Ung, sung. Ung, hung. Rung, rung. Ink, ink, pink. Ink, rink. Ink, sink. Brink, brink. Remember that a Y at the end of a long word usually says E. Slinky, slinky. Inky, pinky. Stinky, stinky. Let's practice some sentences. The dog gave the cat a ring. It made the cat sing a happy. Remember, the Y has a long E sound at the end of most longer words. Song. If you had trouble with the silent E, please go back and review Level 2, Lesson 5. The silly, mice. Did you remember that the E after the C makes it say S? Ate, pink, rice. It made, them, sick. If you need more practice with these sounds before the next lesson, please practice pages 65 and 70 in Word Mastery.